The solar system contains of sun and all other objects that travel around the sun. These objects include planets, asteroids, pieces of rocks, natural satellites, meteoroids, comets, dwarf planets, dust and gases. The sun is in the center the sun is in the center of our solar system and is a tremendous gravitational pull on planets, comets, astronauts, satellites, and other objects. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. There are many such galaxies in the universe. The sun lies in the center of the solar system. It is a massive ball of burning gas called a star. It is around 100 times bigger than our Earth. Sun looks bigger because it's close to the Earth than any other stars. Sun is very hot because of continuous huge explosion of gases happening in the sun. It gives heat and light to planets in the system. Light from the sun reaches Earth in approximately 8 minutes. The sun looks yellow from Earth. Without the sun, life is not possible on Earth. Sun's light is very strong, so we should avoid looking at the sun directly, as it could damage our eyes. Sun is very important for our existence on Earth. It is the absence of sun. Our Earth would just be a ball of ice coated rock.
Significant of the sun.
Significant of sun in our life. It gives light. It programs energy to the planet to prepare food. It is a important part. It is a important part of water cycle. It gives us vitamin D. It kills germs and dries our clothes. It is the ultimate source of energy. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. It has rocky surface with large holes called craters. These craters were made of fast-moving rocks hitting into the planet from the space. When we look at Mercury at home, these craters looks like dark spots. Mercury has no atmosphere. Life is not possible on Mercury because it's either too hot or too cold. Mercury has no moon. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is almost big as Earth. It has bigger atmosphere compared to the to Earth. The sun rays pass through the thick clouds and warm planet's surface. But the clouds, the, oh, but the clouds stop the heat from escaping, which makes the planet very hot. Venus is the very hottest in the solar. It's the hottest planet in the solar system, and no life and so life is not possible there. Venus always also rotates in the opposite
Opposite.
opposite direction, as almost all the planets. Instead of the sun rising in the east and setting in the west, the sun on Venus would all appear to rise in the west and set the east. Venus has no moons. The Earth is at a wider distance from the sun and has right mixture of air, heat, and water, which makes life possible on Earth. It is the only planet where it is known to exist. Earth is seven
7,900
7,926 miles in size, about the same 7% of
70%
70% of the Earth is covered with water and 30% with land. Earth has one moon. Moon is a natural satellite. Science has sent many man-made satellites, which revolve all around the Earth. These satellites have to capture important information about Earth, such as weather forecast, etc., and how in transmission of radio and television programs. If the state of life on Earth make it unique planet in the solar system. Mars is called and fourth planet from the sun. It has 2 moons. It is a rocky planet. Its surface is covered with red dust and hence called red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is the 5th planet from the sun. It is mostly of gases and doesn't have solid surface. There is huge sun that be raging for thousands of years and hence it is referred as stormy planet. Different cloud formation and storms in the atmosphere make Jupiter a colorful planet. It has big red spot. It has a big red spot where storm raging for at least 300 years. This red spot is also called the Eye of Jupiter. Jupiter is also a cold planet. It has more 60 moons moving around. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the sixth planet from the sun. It is made of mostly gases and it has a million of pieces of rock and ice moving around it. This looks like solid rings. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings. From far away, this looks like solid rings. It has 62 moons. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is very cold planet like Uranus, but there is dark blue swirl from sun ranging on the planet, which makes it look blue in color. It has
14.
14 moons. Dwarf planet. Pluto was considered a planet to
2006.
2006. It is now considered a dwarf planet. It has four moons.